Hi guys, so welcome to the life of a science student at Malungoshi University. This day I had the lab, so I was heading to the lab. Those of you who do non-science programs, we actually wear closed shoes every time when going to the lab to avoid accidents like spilling some chemicals which may harm you on your feet. And then we also put on lab coats every time. So that's me going to the lab. I arrived at the lab. This is inside the lab, and I was just going to the room where we were having our experiment from. So I arrived, some people were already there, but then we had to move because some other people were using that room, so we had to find some other room. So that's why you just saw me entering, then I left. This is the room we moved to. This is where we did our experiment from. So everyone carried their chairs to go now to the new room where we're doing the experiment from. So these are the things we were working with. We were actually testing the amount of ash in chicken feed. So we had to first put turn the chicken feed into ash itself and then proceed with the experiment. So at this moment, we first weighed the crucibles. That's where we were putting the feed, weighing it. But first we weighed the empty crucible. We teared the balance and added the feed to weigh the mass of the feed. So that's what we were doing right there. And this is just what I was recording, like from the explanation. I was taking notes on the procedures. And so we were divided in groups, and everyone was just doing their thing. This was actually another group. My group was already done with this part of the procedure. This was the representative of our group. So that's our crucible there with the feed inside. And this amazing machine you see right here is a furnace. It actually turns things into ash. I don't want to dive deep into it with the explanation, but yes, that's the simple explanation I can give. So we're just putting them inside. After putting inside, we had to leave it open for 2 minutes to allow any fumes that might have been inside to come out. And then after that, we had to close it and allow the process to take place. It actually has a timer, so we had to set a timer. will be away. So the lecturer was just preparing everything. These are my papers and my pen. So I just wait for the test to start. I was just thinking, what am I going to write? I was kind of worried. So after class, after writing the test, I started going to my room. So that's basically how this day was for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and comment. I'll see you in my next one. And then I only took 2 photos this day. I didn't take much of the photos. Bye. Oh, before I forget, we made these jeans by the lab and we decided to take photos. Okay, bye now.